afternoon sun's glow, engines purr, a soft hello. Salisbury downtown cruisers, we're ready to roll. Hearts and wheels in control. Shined up rides like a diamond that's bright, chrome gleaming in the sunlight. Gasoline dreams fuel our delight. It's a Saturday ritual, pure and bright. Cruising down Main, laughter fills the air. Salisbury downtown cruisers are gathered, nothing can compare. The hum of the engines like a sweet serenade. In this little slice of heaven, memories are made. Salisbury downtown cruisers, Saturday afternoon, where we feel alive. With every rev and roar, together we thrive. The Salisbury downtown cruisers are more than just cars. They're the heartbeat of car owners near and far. So let's hit the streets, let the good times roll. With every wheel turning and tack twist, let our friends grow. In this cozy sunlight, in the warmth of our crew, Salisbury's downtown cruisers are calling. There's nothing I'd rather do. With a full tank and a heart so free, this is where I'm meant to be, just to live in the past once again. Underneath the summer sky, we'll bring back our youth. Salisbury cruising, everything feels right. So let's crank up those tunes, let's make this last. With laughter and engines roaring, reliving the past. Together we'll conquer these roads with pride. As a Salisbury downtown cruiser, it's a joy